Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to highlight a 1,000 mile fuel test on my 2025 Toyota Camry XSE Hybrid. Spoiler alert, it did not give me 48 miles to the gallon, it did not give me 44 miles to the gallon, and it did not give me 40 miles to the gallon. According to their specs, it should give me between 44 and 48 miles per gallon city/highway. I'm here to tell you after 1,000 miles that was not the case. Before I show you my results, I wanted to go over some of my variables. It wasn't technically 1,000 miles, it was 987 miles that I drove. It took me about a month to accumulate these miles, so that's an average drive. At least for me, it's about 1,000 miles a month. I'm using regular, the lowest grade gas that you can get. I've done no modifications to the vehicle whatsoever. I've driven it 100% on eco mode. The split between the style of driving is 75 in the city and 25 on the highway. And I live in a very hot place, so yes, my AC was on 100% of the time. And for the most part, this is a vehicle that is used to travel to work. Single driver 75% of the time. Alright, without any further ado, here are my results. This first graph shows you the date that I pumped and the amount of gallons. So if you notice, on the 4th is when I purchased the vehicle. Actually, it was the 2nd, but I started monitoring on the 4th. 13 gallons is the capacity of the Camry, so I left it at 13. And at my cost per gallon, that would have cost me about $38.87. 10 days later, drove 349 miles. My odometer was 354. Pumped 10 gallons. At that time, it was averaging 34.75 miles per gallon, costing me about $26 to fill up. 8 days later, drove 256 miles, pumped 7.5 gallons with an average of 34 miles to the gallon. And the last one is 987 miles. It was my odometer. Drove 377 miles, pumped 10.6 gallons, and my miles per gallon average has gone up a little bit to 35.53. Nowhere close to the nowhere, not even considering the 40s, but this is the true everyday type of driving that I'm getting the results on. If you're a graph person, this is what it kind of looks like. It looks very dramatic down here. But if you look at the difference, it's 34.8 the first time, then 34.2, a 0.6 tenths of a difference, or 6 tenths of a difference, and then it jumped when the average went up to 35.4, almost a 1.2 miles per gallon difference. More fuel information for you fuel nerds. We have the average fuel efficiency was 34.88 miles per gallon. The distance, the average distance was 327.33 miles, which if you think about it on a 13-gallon tank, if you go all the way to the end, that's not too bad. How much I filled up, I never really let it go all the way to empty, so 10.289 was the amount of average fill-ups. How much it cost me in my area was 27.59. And how much I was paying on average is $2.65 a gallon. I filled up 3 times this month, costing me about 11 cents a mile, or about $3.45 on a daily. And in the month, you're looking at $84 to fill up this vehicle for the entire month. The total statistics, you're looking at 982. Now you're gonna say, you said it was 987. Well, yeah, well, the vehicle came with 5 miles already on it, so that's the difference there. I filled up 4 times. I filled up 41 gallons in the total time I've had the vehicle, paying about $110 to fill up. And again, the cost of miles per gallon has about cost of how much it costs per mile is about 11 cents per mile. I will be creating more videos about this Camry XSE. From what I've heard, You have to give the vehicle about a 10,000 miles to really settle in so you can really start seeing your fuel savings. But as of right now, don't expect to get it off the lot and start averaging 44, 48, not even 40 miles a gallon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with what I'm doing with this Camry. Hopefully the next time I come around with another update, my fuel efficiency should hopefully start increasing.